I guess it all started several years ago. I worked as a software engineer, stuck behind a computer all day, with meetings and deadlines and phone calls and all of the pressures of corporate life. But our office was right across the street from a lake, with walking trails through the forest. So often at lunch, I would slip out and walk the trails. It was a great way to escape the pressures of the world and focus on God. We attended a good church, and we had a great fellowship of believers who loved God and loved each other. But I kept hearing that we should also get alone with God in a secret place and spend time with Him there, getting to know Him just one-on-one. And so after some time, I came to realize that my secret place is outdoors in nature. It is like a sanctuary for me, a place of peace and solitude, holy ground. And it's in this place that I most often feel closest to God. I believe He meets me there, and side by side, we walk together. Sometimes I just find a place to sit and pray, or read scripture, or listen to worship music. Sometimes I just admire His beautiful creation and honor Him as creator of all. Jesus said, "Abide in me and I in you, as the branch cannot bear fruit of itself unless it abides in the vine, neither can you unless you abide in me." He calls us to abide in Him. To abide means to be present with Him, to remain in Him, and to never depart from Him. And so it became a habit to get outdoors alone with Jesus, and I would seek out new places to discover, whether it be at the beach, or the mountains, or waterfalls, whether it be in the spring, summer, or autumn, or winter. God is present everywhere and always, and He seeks intimacy with us. After some time, I felt led to bring my camera and share these journeys with others.
Thank you for this beautiful place. Wow. It's way up at the top as that water cascades down over. How gorgeous, Lord. Your creativity is amazing.
And so I invite you to come along with me and discover the beauty of God's creation. Let's honor Him for who He is and all He's done. And together, let's get wild about Jesus.